Welcome to PharmaState News. Here are the top headlines from Pharma World.
Sun Pharma armed to start distribution of formulation products in India. Sun Pharma, in its filing to the exchanges, informed that its wholly owned subsidiary of Sun Pharma Laboratories has been incorporated and will commence distributing Sun Pharma's formulation products in India with effect from May. PRIL 2019, on the same terms as was with Aditya Medisales. Torrent Pharma slips after Dahej plant gets US FDA observations. The company has received certain observations which are procedural in nature and the company is confident of addressing them satisfactorily. Panacea Biotech rallies over 10% on 992 crore rupees investment from India. India Resurgence Fund (LNDIARF), promoted by Piramal Enterprises Ltd and Bain Capital Credit, along with its affiliates, plans to invest up to 992 crore rupees in New Delhi-based Panacea Biotech Limited. GlaxoSmithKline plc wins US nod for two-drug HIV combination. The US Food and Drug Administration cleared the combination of dolutegravir and lamivudine, to be branded as Dovito, for use in newly diagnosed adults. Intas Pharma says its new biosimilar for breast cancer treatment is 65% cheaper. Drug maker Intas Pharmaceuticals Ltd on Tuesday announced the launch of trastuzumab biosimilar, Alefta, that will bring down the cost of breast cancer treatment by nearly 65%, the company claimed. Indian Pharma stocks update. The top gain is Cipla, up 2.9%, and Strides Pharma Science, up 1.8%. On the other hand, Orchid Pharma Ltd, down 4.3%, and Panacea Biotech, down 2.7%, are among the top losers. General Atlantic to invest $100 million in Rubicon. Private equity firm General Atlantic will invest $100 million in Rubicon Research Private Limited, the pharmaceutical product development company in which it acquired a controlling stake last week. Manufacturing problems persist for Aurobindo, US second largest generics producer. The agency this week posted a Form 483 for Aurobindo's plant in Telangana with nearly a dozen observations but one overriding issue, the agency said. Amazon Alexa's first HIPAA sanction skills open new doors for pharma. Amazon announced 6 partners last week in its first HIPAA-compliant nod for the voice apps it calls Skills. AI drug discovery, which pharma companies are leading this revolution. Big tech companies have also jumped into the race, and Google and China's Tencent are now 2 of the biggest names in pharmaceuticals AI. Doctors and healthcare experts express concern over failure of drug authorities to carry out regular checking of drug samples. Experts also observed that generic drugs exported to European countries and the US have proper labeling and are constantly checked by the Food and Drug Administration. Therefore, they also demanded that a similar setup should also be established in India to constantly monitor the quality of medicine distributed in the Indian markets. For details, you can visit the news link shown with the news bite. And for quick pharma industry updates, download PharmaState app.